Today's the day. Meredith, are you ready to see your new car? So this is her current ride that she has been doing the races in. There's Miss Ella. Hi there. Okay, come up here. You want to see it? Look in the garage. What do you think? Is it your favorite color? Uh-huh.
Is there no seatbelt? No seatbelt?
Oh, Drew, there's no seat belts.
No, I can ride in here.
I don't think Ella's gonna ride in this one with you though. This is your go fast.
Where's my helmet?
Yours is in that grip tape.
Where's my helmet?
Okay, here, let's go get your helmet.
It's too fast for you.
So our plan for today is for her to drive her original Mustang, see how it does in the 60 foot down here at the end of the driveway, and then have her get in the Blue Mustang, and hopefully we've got some significant improvements. All right, stop, girlfriend. Okay. So this is your starting line, okay? All right, ready, set, go. Ready? Okay. Woo! Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Girlfriend, you're supposed to drive through it. Drive through it. I stepped in the mud. Ready, set, go. All the way through. All the way through. Keep driving, keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Woo! Oh, okay. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Everybody ready? You got it. You ready? Set, go. Go, go, go. Set, go. Lost our grip tape. I guess Ella's gonna have to take this one over. You watch where you're going. So this is the test with the rubber on the tires, because the grip tape did not hold up. But it was still a better pass than in the pink Mustang. Ready, set, go! Did you see her head? Ella, do you think it's faster? Ella's like, I just want to ride in it. Yeah, that is your pink car just like that. Uncle Drew just made it blue for you. Ready, set, go. Thoughts on your blue car? You ready to race it? You want me to help you get your helmet off? No? Okay. Are you going to win the Power Wheels race? Yep.
Once the car starts moving, push this lever forward. Okay? Once it gets moving.
You don't have to let off. Just push it forward.
Just push it forward.
Ready,
Straight.
set, go.
Alright. Reach down there and hit the pedal. See it? Move your foot. Go. Get it. Put
the baby in it with no helmet. That's the smart move. You gonna drive it, Ella? Go on.
Okay.
Drive that way. Turn the wheel.
You gotta keep your foot, you gotta hold your foot down.
Are you happy? Yeah, turn it around. Say beep beep.
Hey, I'm gonna time you. Are you marked?
She took off too fast. Do you think that you're ready to go racing? No, like, are you ready for your race? You think you're gonna win?
Yeah,
Because you're fast, yeah. Stop. Sissy, what did you think? Was it fun? No, it wasn't fun? Unfortunately, we burnt up reverse and first gear. So Drew has those on order and we'll work on getting those replaced. Overall, happy with the improvements that we were able to gain. Super excited for her first race in April. Just got to get some more practicing in. But otherwise, I think she's set.